Welcome to the future of performance. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive walk-around of the absolutely insane 2026 BMW M3, a machine that redefines aggression, luxury, and innovation in one futuristic package. Starting up front, the first thing you notice is the ultra-bold presence, a wide, sculpted front fascia with a completely reimagined kidney grille design, now fully integrated into the bodywork. The angular LED headlights are razor-thin and lined with red accent lighting, giving the car a menacing stare even at a standstill. Moving to the back, it gets even more aggressive. You've got massive quad exhaust tips with a large central outlet, 5 pipes in total, tucked into a sharp carbon fiber diffuser. The LED taillights wrap around in a dramatic L shape, and the wide rear fenders scream motorsport heritage fused with futuristic design. From the side, the silhouette is low, muscular, and sculpted. Flush door handles, deep side skirts, carbon fiber accents. Every inch of the side profile looks like it's slicing through the air. The massive wheels hug the ground with wide, performance tires that look track-ready. Step inside and you're greeted by a digital cockpit that belongs in a sci-fi movie. A wide curved display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly blending the instrument cluster and infotainment. The steering wheel is race-inspired with red stitching and multifunction controls. Front seats, sculpted M carbon buckets with illuminated logos, Alcantara bolsters, and contrast stitching, built for both comfort and control.